have dynamics and analytical geometry. Otherwise LPP, numerical analysis and mechanics and fluid dynamics section में 3 to 4 chapter extra है. And no hard work more. CSIR, JAM student, how much hard work doing for UPSC? No hard work, just one time class take and just little practice do enough. You can write all solutions. And subjective objective exams are there. Objective for CSIR and JAM objective exam, but for UPSC subjective. But subjective objective nothing differences. Objective 4 options are. We are thinking, analysis doing and just putting solution. Whatever we are thinking, that only we have to write in subjective. That is the difference. So no need to fear. Don't fear by competitive exam, any competitive exam. When people will change their mind. Hereafter we will discuss about our test series for CSIR, for JAM and for UPSC everything. 2 minutes. For CSIR student, online live test series, for CSIR JAM both. So test series will be 2 parts, weekly test series and full length test series. Weekly test series will conduct on every Sunday. This will start during our course. But I will start after 1 month minimum because we need to complete some syllabus. Then only test we can write. So every Sunday 9 PM to 11 PM test will be there. For this separate registrations are there. You can do by website. You will get a portal, online portal. Okay, how you are writing CSIR exam like that. Everything online. Minimum total 1 to 10 test series are there. Every topic test series will come. Matrix, linear, matrix itself 2-3 times. Linear algebra 2-3 times. CSI, real analysis 2-3 times. After that mix, matrix, linear, real. Like that test series will be there. After that full test series will come. Full test series 2 types. Full test series FTS and STS. STS means special test series. So under full length means full paper. How CSIR taking exam, like that this will be the full paper. This also total 5 papers. This also total 5 papers. Means total 20 test series will be there for CSIR exam. for CSR students. For every weekly test series, minimum I need 75% marks out of anything. Why anything telling? Because weekly test series depend on topic. Sometime 100 marks exam will happen, sometime 150 marks exam will happen. So out of anything, minimum 75% marks I need every week test series. Next, when after course complete, full test series will start, FLTS. Then this out of 5 papers, every paper's same 75% marks I need out of 200. Means 150 marks must need. When special test series I will start, that time this I need 85% marks out of 200. If this you are giving me, then your result 100% guarantee I am giving. 100% guarantee. And this marks don't think very easy. Depend on your hard work, but this will be our target. This will be our target. Understanding? Which time you will complete this target? Either within 6 months, within 1 year, within 2 years, within 3 years. Whenever will complete your result confirm. So think, depend on hard work. Okay? And till your result I am with you. You want anytime class, discussion, doubts, I will give. But continuously. Continuously means 6 months, 1 year, 2 year. Suppose sometimes some student doing 1 year taken class or 6 months taken class and went. Coming after 2 year, after 3 year, after 4 years, then I can't do it anything. You have to go again with new registration, everything. Because of too much problems. And online test series also from your batch, from this time, I did only 2 attempt validity. Till your last batch, till last results, I gave until result. Test series also. But this is hereafter helpless. I can't help. Because of too much, everything expenses going on. Offline test also very good. This online everything come, no, they destroyed us. 2 attempt validities. Means including whatever you are giving fees or anything, 2 attempt you can write. Suppose 2 attempt means 1 year for CSIR exam. 2 attempt you will qualify CSIR, okay. Suppose 3rd attempt you are not qualifying within 1 year. 3rd attempt going to write CSIR exam. So for class, for doubt class, confusion, no need anything. You come always. But for again 3rd attempt, 4th attempt you are going to write, then you have to do registration for test series again. Means 1 year again you can get 1 time registration, then 3rd attempt, 4th attempt, again 1 year validity. But if your pure hard work is correctly have, then 1 year result you can give. This also happening with a rare student, 3rd attempt going on. I know maximum 1 year they will qualify. So I want to help you also. For that I am 2 attempt giving, whatever fees have. But more than that I can't help. I did more, last 10 years more I helped. But no, really hereafter helpless. Because of too much technology increasing and too much high levels of expenses, too much high level. So I am telling, this is our target. Either first attempt you give, second attempt you give, third attempt you give, fourth attempt you give. Suppose you are feeling that's my second, don't fear by this. Okay, second attempt will complete, means third attempt I have to give money or anything. Don't fear. This is how much I can help, I am helping. You have no money also I will allow. I am not, any student never I told you go from here, no. But you also have to understand our situation. I will allow every time everything, but if you will understand means little bit help to us, and not that again you have to give fees complete, no, just test series amount, maybe 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 like that. Your result will qualify, third attempt, fourth attempt, then your life will change. So for some 1,000 rupees, don't damage your life. This is my future suggestion. I told our life how much we can make good by JAM exam, by CSIR exam. So you have to take decision properly every time, good time. This is for CSIR student. Same for JAM student test series. This test series WTS is common for JAM and CSIR both. This is common. For them, full length test series, FTS and STS is there, same, but here test series will increase, here 10 full test series and special test series is 5. For them, total 25 test series will be there. And for them, here also 75% marks out of anything common, that is, but here 75 marks out of 100 must I need, and here 85 plus means very very good out of 100 marks. Your result confirm 100%, whatever I am giving target, if you will complete 100%, your result guarantee I am giving. Like that hard work you do, which day you will give this marks, that day your IIT confirmed with single digit rank. Very good rank you will get. 500 more big rank that is. But I am telling single, less than 100 rank will come if this marks you are giving. And JAM is yearly once exam, and for them also 2 attempt. 2 attempt means for them 2 years. Till 2 years you are not qualifying, third attempt you are going to write exam, means third years. Then again you can register and again you can write. But for JAM exam, third year not coming. 2 years enough for them. CSIR students sometimes third attempt coming for some students, but for JAM student 2 attempt enough. Understanding? So this is our target. You give either within first year or second year or third year, 4 year, anytime. But your IIT will be confirmed after this marks with good rank. Okay? And all our online test series, whenever we'll start full test, evening 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. That and all I will announce. And this and all, when test series will start, this test series are not easy test series. 1 month test will go, 2 month test will go. Means one test series exhibition type will start. 2 months you will see the only test going on in our institute. You will get tired. Okay. Next for UPSC students. UPSC students, for them offline will come. For them no online. Offline live test series for UPSC, maths optional. For UPSC, more papers are there, so for them test series will increase. Weekly test series total 20, that also minimum I am writing, maybe more than 20 test series will be there. And for them every week 2 tests I have to take, otherwise 3-4 months will go. So every week 2 tests will come, and 250 marks minimum every paper For them, 2 paper exam, paper first, paper second, but weekly test series will be common, only 250 marks. So for them, same I am writing here, same only KMS WTS, same 75% marks need out of 250 marks. And after course over, for them also full test series will be there, and for them full test series is too much will come. I wrote there 1 to 35 papers. Too much test series are there for them. Miss can tell that here 1 to 20 and Miss 50, 55 test series will be there for UPSC students because they have too much papers. CSR plus JAM mixing after that extra. So 1 to 35 papers will be there for full test for making practice more. So, but here 1 to 35 papers, 2 papers, both mixing, paper first and paper second. This is 250 marks and this is 250 marks. Means UPSC taking exam optional paper, morning 1 paper and after lunch 1 paper. So when full test series will start, like that here also we will take morning first paper, after lunch paper second. Like that test series we will take. And total test series will be 35. Means we can tell both mixing 35, paper first, paper second. And here also we need 75% minimum marks. Both papers separate. This meaning minimum paper first plus paper 2, 300 marks means out of 500, 300 minimum marks I want in my every paper. Then you can tell your result means I am giving only maths class. So your maths confirmed. In future any JAM students, CSR students writing exam, UPSC you can get it same everything. Okay. So these are all explanation whatever I gave related UPSC, CSIR, JAM, everything here explanation is there. Related paper, our exam, everything. Which time exam total cut-offs. Next, everything finished, whatever I gave explanation. Last 10 years we are giving service here, especially in Chennai. We created more number of results by our students' hard work, our hard work, by God bless. Dull to dull students, poor family background students, we send in IITs. More students, they got government job. More students settled as a research scholar or as a government teachers, school teachers, professors. So last 10 years, we gave like that service, and by God bless, everybody settled properly. Some students still not settled because of too much problems, because of they left, no connected with us. My only one suggestion, if you are connecting with me, I will give result one day. No connection have, I can't change your life. I'm not telling that 4 years, 5 years live, no. Maximum 2 years enough for any exam. You can settle. UPSC student, third attempt, fourth attempt going on, okay. For them I am giving 4 years, 5 years. You connect with me. Your maths marks 300 minimum I will give. When we opened our institute in Chennai, we started from car parking area. To car parking, from car parking to till here, this is a very tough journey we crossed. Too much struggle we did. When I need help, but I helped another person. I can't help anybody, but I helped. More free education I gave, free classes I gave. Their life I changed, they are in IITs, they are in government job. Because of only our one target, that in our life also more things we missed because of no guidance, because of money problem, because of poorness. We missed more things in life. So that we don't want with our students. Little I will give good education, little I will give free of cost or less price, or I will help by any way. Maybe their life will change. Anybody have to take this decision, no? I never in my life I got any help from anybody. Maybe sometime I am thinking maybe anybody will guide or anybody will help me today. Maybe I will do any high level job by IITs or by other high level institutes. But okay, sometime I am thinking maybe God prepared me for this. I have to send somebody in IITs or more than IITs. This time can tell we made history. From last year we are trying, one of our students, I gave suggestion you try IIST, ISRO. He gave first attempt interview very good went, but no selection. Second time again he went with, again JRF he qualified, again he went selected, second time selected. And this year only selected in IIST, PhD. He gave interviews in differential equation. You can't believe he told only one thing, sir, whatever you taught, same to same asking in interviews. Even questions, theories, everything. PD, they ask more question, whatever formula I gave, what is important, same to same. I also shocked how this is possible. I got confidence, okay, then we are also teaching good. If you will give feedback no, then we are getting confidence. Either you will give low feedback also, no problem. We will change. If I am not teaching good, I will teach good. I will learn. I am ready for learning. But feedback is changing us. Good means we are getting more confidence. We are thinking extra good we will teach. Next class, next batch. If bad feedback means also we are learning. Okay, bad, no, I will change. I will do extra hard work for students. We are not taking any way by negative ways. Okay, student bad told, leave it. No, won't leave. You are finding mistake from us, we will find a solution for that. There is a solution for every problem. So our target motto only for life settlement for everybody, because we know value of life settlement. So whoever will come here, I will do hard work for them. I don't know, I can't tell outside also by announcement or anything, but whoever will come here, I will help and I will settle their life. Like that we are giving service from last 10 years, and by God bless, we got more success, and we will continue our hard work always, because this is our target. Whenever our health, body will work, till last we will try. So just thanks everyone, and we will do hard work more, and again we will create more results. We will create extra more results. Whatever result coming, extra more results we will create by our hard work, by our support together. I have to support you, you have to support me. How you have to support me? By your hard work, by your reading, by your self-study, by your concentration. That support need, no other any support. Okay? So today presentation this only. If any students anything want to doubts have, confusion have, then ask with me, I will explain again, and we will proceed for our syllabus. Anybody anything want to ask? Online, offline, any students? During class, suppose any type of problems will come, suppose technical problem, now morning suddenly problem came. So anyhow, final solution I found by service center, suddenly I called, they did something, within second got solution. So like that, any problem coming related technical, related health issues, maybe any class cancel, don't worry. I will manage all classes. Don't worry about syllabus. When we'll complete, correctly we'll complete or not, timely we'll complete or not, that is our duty. Last 10 years in Chennai, we completed our syllabus every 6 months. on time, before time, including test series. More floods came, also we completed course. More problems, personal problem came, also completed course. So don't worry about syllabus or courses. Whatever teaching, you think how I am reading, good reading or not, how I have to do hard work. And one problem is waiting for me. Openly I am telling you, maybe today, tomorrow, after 1 week, after 10 days, so maybe class disturbance will get. Actually, my uncle is in bed, last stage can tell. Too much, yesterday night also too much problem came, my father called, anytime have to come, like that situation have. So suppose I am going, I will update by group everything. Suppose I am going means class will get disturbance, don't worry. When sir will come, when course will complete, correctly he will complete or not. On my absence, I will put some aptitude class continuously, either weekly or Saturday, Sunday, or integral class I can put, whatever will teach other faculty. Integral COB means whatever syllabus last completing, on my absence I will tell, go and teach. Okay, at least you won't feel any bad or anything. But when I will back, if I will go means minimum 15 days, 20 days rules are there. So after 15 days, after 20 days I will come. But I will back means I will finish everything with proper way, with your understanding. So any type of negative thoughts, negative thinking, don't put on your mind. Okay, everything you will understand whenever I will teach. Either within 1 day I will finish or within 10 days I will finish. That is my duty. Okay, so before I am telling, I also don't know, maybe today I have to go, tomorrow I have to go, that type situation have. And this only my side, everything I told. If you want to ask anything related topic or class or test series, anything else, no, cleared have. Then little we will read, little matrix theory we will see, half an hour. Our introduction, all explanation I finished, related our syllabus, topics, everything. So little we can start our courses, and from tomorrow we will start our syllabus properly. Today just introduction we can give, matrix theory I will teach first. So related matrices, definitions, explanation, everything we will see. Okay. Online students, anybody anything want to ask? No. Okay. Offline students, you can see on screen everything. Whiteboard I am not going to use. Okay. I will write on tab, you can see everything here. Online student, you can see on your laptop screen.